Hi, my name is Sarvesh and you're watching D365 Notes, and yesterday we have covered legal entity creation topic. In that we have discussed about how the legal entity will be created in D365 Finance and Operation and how we can manage different basic parameters on legal entity. Now in this episode we will be covering about number sequence format which will be responsible for everything moving in the D365 Finance and Operation. Let's discuss about what is number sequence. Number sequence in the D365 Finance Operation play a crucial role in doing day in day out activity, because the number sequence will be deciding what transaction and what will be posted and what will be the number and reference of that transaction. So for example, let me open the notepad. So this is notepad. For example, what is number sequence, I will tell you. So this is, let's take example of vendor. This is vendor, so this is my vendor number. So how this is created? So this is decided by the system using number sequence format. Similarly, if I want to post a journal entry regarding vendor invoice, so purchase invoice, let's say my purchase invoice voucher should be looking like PI-001, something like that. So these are the number sequences we can define in the system as per our requirement. But apart from that, we can define manually, but it is very lengthy process and it will be very time consuming, and it is not recommended at all. So for that, Microsoft has provided us a number sequence wizard which we can run after creating a new legal entity. So wizard will automatically configure all the number sequence in the system. After that, we can manually add or edit the number sequence format in each number sequence parameter. For example, vendor, so system has given me a number sequence as a TLL hyphen 001, but I have my specific number sequence format. For example, my client is asking me I need V hyphen 001 for vendor. For customer, system has suggested or created a number sequence with TLL, means company name, and hyphen and 001 002, but my customer is asking some other format. For example, my customer is wanting that number sequence should be created manually. So in that case, we can manually edit the number sequence format and do the tweaks in the number sequence format. So let's get started. So the today's topic will be how to run number sequence wizard in the system. So for running number sequence wizard, go to modules. So let me go to home page. This is the home page. This is our legal entity ID, legal entity name, modules. Scroll down, organization admin. Then here number sequence. Under the number sequence, we have to select number sequence. So after clicking on number sequence, system will open this form. So if you see, we have multiple number sequences available for existing entities. So for example, IN, MF and JPMF, so different number sequences are available. So we want for our legal entity. Before that, I can show you as that basic things. If we go to accounts payable parameter, setups accounts payable parameter. So under the number sequence, we have all the number sequence. For example, vendor account and one-time supplier and product goods receipt note, and everything is blank. Similarly, in each and every module, for example, account receivable also, if we are checking, it will be also a blank in format. So we cannot create that much amount of number sequence manually. So for that, we need to run a wizard. Similarly, if we check about general ledger module, and if we go to general ledger parameters, our number sequence is blank. So let's see how to create number sequence using a number sequence wizard for a newly created legal entity. So go to organization admin, number sequence and number sequence. So after that, just click on generate button. It will take some time to load, so be patient about before running this. So after clicking, it will take some time to load, so don't worry about that. Let's skip till that form page loads. So this is the setup number sequence wizard form, number sequence setup wizard form. So here it will show you the all information. just click on next here. So it will suggest us number sequence for our legal entity, so which is TLL, and you don't have to do anything, just click next. These are the number of number sequences will be updated. So if you see, like in the starting of video I suggested that this is not recommended process to create manual number sequence in the system. That's why I was saying that in a single legal entity it can be more than like 2000 number sequences. So just make sure that you are running wizard and not configuring, because if you are configuring manually also, something may or may not left out, so you have to go and do the setup again and again. So it is good to run number sequence wizard. Click setup. So just click on finish button, and it will take some time and create all the number sequence. The number sequences are created in the system. So if we check accounts payable setup, accounts payable parameters, number sequence, so it is created by system. So that's it for the video. We will be covering manual number sequence creation in the next video, so stay tuned till that time. And so in next episode we will be creating manual number sequence, and I will show you how manual number sequence can be edited and setup is done for the number sequence. So stay tuned for that and keep watching, keep learning. Till that time, bye bye. I hope see you again.